Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super exciting. The My World Minecraft Lego set with a whopping 2,688 pieces. Just look at this box, it's massive. So of course the first thing we did was dump all the pieces on the floor. And wow, that's a lot of bricks. It kind of looks like a colorful Lego explosion. I mean, seriously, if Lego pieces could talk, they'd probably be screaming, "Put us together already!" Alright, let's get to work. It took us a whole day, lots of coffee, and maybe a little bit of bribing. But slowly, the magic started to happen. Piece by piece, the world began to take shape. It's amazing how something so chaotic can become so beautiful once you start building. And finally, after hours of snapping bricks and carefully following the instructions, here's the final masterpiece. Look at that, a full Lego Minecraft world right in front of you. Honestly, it's kind of satisfying to see all the effort pay off. If you're a Lego fan or just love Minecraft, this set is definitely a must-have. And remember, patience is key. And maybe a bit of floor space too. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments which Lego set I should tackle next.